All right, this particular student, the student ID 1255334, has world history. That was great. She has world history. However, and that's in the OLS and the TV action, total view. Sorry, in TV total view. There's the class here. You can tell she spent 22 hours and 30 minutes in the class here. It says her average is 72.9. However, when I log into the course that she's in right now, which is SY 1819 Fall World Literature 6_6 dot, and I log in as her, this is what comes up. It says course is locked. But as you saw in everywhere else, the course was not locked here or shown as locked in TVS. So something's wrong there. If you guys could go in there and fix that for us, that would be great. Thank you. Have a great day.